Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another After Effects tutorial. In this video I'll show you what precompositioning is, how to do it, and why it's super useful when working with multiple layers. Let's get started. Precompositioning, or precomping, basically means grouping layers together into their own composition. It's kind of like making a mini timeline inside your main timeline. If you used Premiere Pro or CapCut before, it's similar to nesting clips or compound clips, but here it's even more flexible. To precompose, select the layers you want to group, then right-click and choose Precompose. Give it a name and you'll get two options. You can leave all attributes in the current composition. This keeps your keyframes where they are, but groups the layers visually. And you have Move All Attributes into the new composition. This sticks all your keyframes and effects inside the precomp. Here, you have the setting to adjust the composition duration to the time span of the selected layers. I'm going to turn that on and press OK. As you can see, I have made a precomp, and because I selected the last setting, it's the same length as my previous layers. Precomposition is super handy when you want to apply one effect to multiple layers at once, if you want to organize complex projects and keep your timeline clean, or if you want to animate or scale a whole group of layers together instead of doing them one by one. Now, how do you edit inside a precomp? To open a precomp, just double-click it in your timeline or project panel. That'll take you inside a new composition where you can make changes. Those changes automatically update in your main composition, so it's all linked. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.